Find the derivative of the given function. So identify first the outer term. So yung outer term natin yung arctan. And then yung square root of e raised to x minus 1, gawin natin u. Ayan. So yung u natin is ito na. The square root of e raised to x minus 1. And then yung inner term, so gawin natin v. So ito yung inner term, e raised to x minus 1. So ano yung derivative ng arctangent? So ang derivative nito is derivative is 1 over 1 plus u square. Ayan. And then yung derivative naman ito ng ating second function. So ito yung radical sign, magiging e raised to x minus 1 is raised to 1/2. So 1/2 times dito magiging 1 over 2 times e raised to x minus 1. Then i-minus natin to, magiging negative 1/2. So erase muna natin. So dahil negative 1/2 yan, so kailangan natin ilagay sa denominator ito para maging positive. So magiging 1 over e raised to x minus 1 raised to 1/2 at yung 2. Yan. So yung ating derivative ng u is 1 over 2 yung 1/2 square root of e raised to x minus 1. Yeah. And then yung inner term. So letter B muna natin yung inner term, e raised to x minus 1. So ang derivative naman yan is, so e raised to x lang din. So 1 times 1, so 1 lang naman yan. And then yung negative 1, constant rule 0 na yan. So okay. So chain rule. So direkta na tayo, huwag na natin isulat yung formula. So ito muna, 1 over 1 plus, so yung u natin ay ito, the square root of e raised to x minus 1. Then meron niyang square times natin ito, 1 over 2 square root of e raised to x minus 1 multiply 2 yung inner term, or e raised to x. E raised to x. Okay, next. So i-cancel muna natin yung radical sign kasi may square sa kabila. Cancel, ito yung magiging 1 over 1 plus e raised to x minus 1 times 1 over 2 e raised to x minus 1 times e raised to x. So okay, next. So multiply natin yung numerators. 1 times 1 times e raised to x, ito ay magiging e raised to x na lang sa numerator. At dito naman, pwede natin i-add yung 1 minus 1, 0. So natira na lang ay e raised to x. E raised to x. Then, yan, 2 square root of e raised to x minus 1. And next. So ito, pwede natin itong i-cancel. E raised to x divided by e raised to x. So magiging 1 na lang yung numerator. And yung natira sa denominator, 2 square root of e raised to x minus 1. So ito na yung derivative